Augustus. In this video, we are going to learn how to make opposite words by adding prefixes. We get opposite words or negative words by adding different prefixes to them. Now, question arises, what are prefixes? Prefixes are a group of letters placed at the front of word. For example, this. When we add prefix dis to the word honest, it becomes dishonest. Here, dis means not. Therefore, the meaning of the word becomes not honest. So, there are several other prefixes in English, such as im, un, non, dis, ir, etc. So, we get negative meaning or words opposite in meaning when we add such kind of various prefixes to different words. For example, vegetarian, non-vegetarian. So also discipline, indiscipline, regular, irregular, honest, dishonest, proper, improper, and impressed. So that's all for today, and I hope that you have gained something from this video. Thank you.